Hi, I am Yvette Sanchez. I work and study at the University Cooperativa de Colombia. This is my weekly route. I get at 6 a.m. Monday to Friday. I take a shower, I brush my teeth, and then I go to the gym. At 8 a.m. I have my breakfast, I prepare my lunch, and get ready to go to work. Then at night I go to my office and I work until 12:30 p.m. when I have my lunch hour. And after lunch I work until 5 p.m. Then I stay from 6:50 to 9:45. At 10 p.m. I go home and at 10:40 I eat something and brush my teeth. On Saturday I get at 8 a.m. I take a shower, brush my teeth, I have my breakfast and to class. On Saturday I wake up later, I meet my friends, I do my homework from university and clean my house, but I don't have a schedule for these days. Thanks.